Hi everyone. This is Mr. Muhammed Ibrahim. Today we will learn the difference between present simple and present continuous in a very easy way. First, let's talk about the present simple. We use the present simple to describe habits, routines, and permanent situations. For example, I play football every Friday. She drinks coffee in the morning. The sun rises in the east. These are all facts or regular actions. They don't change. Now, let's move to the present continuous. We use the present continuous to describe actions happening right now, at this very moment, or temporary actions. For example, I am playing football now. She is drinking coffee right now. We are learning English together at the moment. Let's compare the two with more examples. Present simple, I live in Cairo. This is a fact, something permanent. Present continuous, I am living in Cairo this year. This is temporary, maybe I will move later. Another example. Present simple, he works at a bank. This is his regular job. Present continuous, he is working from home today. This is only for today, not permanent. Notice the time expressions. Present simple usually comes with words like always, usually, often, every day, every week. For example, she always wakes up early. They usually eat dinner at 7. Present continuous usually comes with words like now, right now, today, at the moment, these days. For example, she is studying now. They are traveling this week. Let me ask you a quick question. If I say, I read books every night, which tense is this? Yes, it's present simple, because it is a habit. And if I say, I am reading a book right now, which tense is this? Yes, present continuous, because it is happening at this moment. So remember this simple rule. Present simple equals routines, habits, and facts. Present continuous equals actions happening now or temporary situations. Before we finish, let's practice one more time. I will give you 2 sentences and you decide which tense is correct. Sentence 1, she goes to school every day. That's present simple. Sentence 2, she is going to school right now. That's present continuous. Great job. Now tell me in the comments, do you study English every day? Or are you studying English right now? Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English lessons with me, Mr. Muhammed Ibrahim. See you next time.